Welcome to our channel. Activating your Discover gift card online is necessary before you can use it for purchases. Step 1. Locate the website URL printed on the sticker attached to your Discover gift card or on the card carrier it came with. Step 2. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and navigate to the activation website. Step 3. On the activation page, find the field requesting your gift card number. Enter all 16 digits found on the front of your card. Step 4. Enter the 3-digit security code, also called CVV, located on the back of your card in the signature panel. Step 5. Provide any additional verification information requested, such as the card's expiration date. Step 6. Click the Activate or Submit button to process your request. Step 7. Wait for the confirmation screen showing your gift card has been successfully activated and displaying your available balance. Step 8. Write down your card balance for reference when shopping. Step 9. Register your gift card for online purchases if this option is available by providing your name and zip code. Step 10. Keep your gift card in a safe place and treat it like cash since it's not linked to your bank account. Your Discover gift card is now ready to use at millions of locations that accept Discover cards. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.